How were reading glasses invented? So, you know how everyone's got those old, dusty specs sitting on their face? Well, reading glasses have been around since the 13th century, but they weren't always called that. Back then, they were known as optical glasses or eyeglasses. And the first design was a pair of round lenses that sat on your nose. They were invented by a guy named Salvino Darmate, who was an Italian glassmaker. The first person to use them was actually King Louis IX of France. He was going blind, so he had these made for him. But they were so expensive that regular people couldn't afford them. And also, they were kind of a pain in the butt to wear because they kept slipping down your nose. But then in the 17th century, someone came up with the idea of putting the glasses on a chain. And this made them much more affordable and accessible to the masses. And suddenly everyone was wearing them, even though they were still kind of a hassle to wear. Then in the 20th century, someone finally had the genius idea of attaching the glasses to a frame that rested on your ears. And voila, we have the modern-day reading glasses. Now they come in all shapes and sizes, and they're cheaper than ever. So thanks to technology and also to the guy who invented them back in the 13th century,